Me?
A severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, central Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Kent Hills, Monroeville, McKeesport, Indiana, Vandergrift, Palmerston, Apollo,
Spiders.
West Midland, Murrayville, Wilkinsburg, New Kensington, Lone Myrtle, Lynn Hall, Harrison Township, North Versailles, Smithvale, O'Hara Township, and Forest Hills. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Weather bulletin.